Hey, did you ever see that Twilight Zone episode where that Asian woman actually made a YouTube video and put it onto YouTube? Reminds me of this one. She's making boiled meat with some dip. Doesn't sound great, does it? But it is great! It's pretty good. Not defensive or anything, just want to give you guys a treat. Boiled meat with a dip? Ugh. No, it's good. Put your meat into some water, and with that water, boil it. Whack your stove up to error message, then pull it back to 9. Or however your stove works. Put a lid on for extra efficiency. Okay, about half an hour later, when you can stab your meat with a chopstick and it goes through easily, it's done. So empty out that water into the sink. Not that side of the sink, whatever you do! Okay, that side. The pipes go to the exact same place, so be careful. This is most of the ingredients that she'll use. I say most because she's holding out some secrets. First one was sugar, then some vinegar, then some light soy. What's that? Coriander, that's right. This thing here is spring onion, garlic, and chili. There's a few more which I'll mention later because why they're not on this countertop, I don't know. I would have put them there, but who am I? I don't even really exist. Just some voice that YouTube hires. Chop everything up real small because this is going to be your dip. All these ingredients here are going to be your dip. You could use a food processor. I think that'd be a better idea actually, using a food processor. I'd like to try it, see how the texture goes. Did I ever mention the Chinese name of this dish? The Chinese name is swanrong baiqierou. The swan refers to garlic, which is the thing she's crushing now. This is a good way to peel garlic because as you can see the skin's on and now it just falls off into your little rabbit hands. Squirrel hands is what I'm trying to think of. Do rabbits have hands? Do squirrels? Squirrels do. But they can't use knives. Thank goodness. Chop that up finely, nice and fine, and put it into your little bowl. Not that little, that's too little. It's coming out the top. Okay, so the meat is going to be cut into little slices. Not like this. She's just cutting off the skin because, I don't know, we're kind of too pampered to eat the skin in this house. That's because we've never been hungry. That's what my stepdad would say. You've never been hungry. I'm literally starving. Anyway, cut it into slices. Why can't I think of the word slices? Actually, that's a thing in my life. I can never think of the word slices. Or that other word. Whatever that is. Okay, cut it into slices like that. And actually, the slices is part of the name as well. Baiqierou literally means 100 cuts of meat. We didn't count them or anything. You could use different types of meat. I've seen this with beef, and I think it would go well with tongue, like pig tongue or beef tongue, because it's got that real nice texture. This is pork belly. Oh, wow, here's a new ingredient that she didn't show us. This is sesame seeds. She's lightly toasted them. There's the sugar, which she mentioned before, or I mentioned. But as I said, I don't exist. I'm actually a robot made by YouTube to put comments onto videos. Only the best videos. And this Asian woman's ones. Carefully measure some vinegar. And then carefully measure some light soy sauce. And then add heaps more later when you realize that you haven't added enough. Just eyeball it. Come on, no one's got time for this. Ooh, how many? That many? But then more. Because it's got to be kind of liquid. Add some salt. Again, this was not introduced as part of her ingredient introduction section. Fancy pink salt. I swear they just add coloring to it. It's Himalayan. It's Himalayan. It's such a fashionable salt right now. By putting it into the bigger bowl now, it looks like you were always meant to use a bigger bowl. But we know better. Mix that around. Now this is where we realize that, need more liquids. She also added, at this point, a little bit of sesame oil, which is so delicious and really adds to the dish. Now you can make it look really nice like this and have people dip it in, or you can just mix the whole big thing up and put it into a bowl. Do whatever you want. Follow your heart. I always tell people to follow their heart. I wish I had heart to follow mine. There you go, that looks pretty good, huh? Looks okay. So you're thinking, oh, it's just boiled meat with a dip, but it goes really well. So give it a try, 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 give it a try. Make sure to cover it with all your flavors. Put it in your mouth. Sounds like she liked it. This meal is supposed to be eaten cool or at room temperature. You can eat it hot if you want to. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that one. It's really easy to make, as you can see. It's just some boiling meat and some cutting stuff up. Takes about half an hour. Bye-bye.
谢谢看我的电影，拜拜。